Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today we're unboxing and showcasing the new August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, compatible with Apple HomeKit and Google Voice Assistant. We'll give you some quick details on all sides of the box. You can pause this at any time, but one of the main reasons why to upgrade to this newer version is because of this logo right here. It has the Wi-Fi hardware built right in to the unit, so that's cool. We'll get to a moment why that's important. So again, you can pause this at any time. I've used August Smart Locks on and off for many years. I like the reliability and the firmware updates that they do, so they do keep it up to date, which is good. It's app controlled. Here's the unit itself. It is a weighty unit. There's a lot of hardware, both electronic and metal, inside of this unit right here. And you twist this to open it from the inside, and here's a motor inside as well that will turn this and open the door lock from outside. Here's some mounting hardware right here, and this is important because it hooks up with your deadbolt in the door. There's another install piece right here. Here's some more install pieces. Everything comes in the kit that you need. Optional cover plate and some documentation right here. So this piece right here has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in. That's what is replacing this older unit. So you would plug this into the wall and attach it to your older August Wi-Fi Smart Lock wirelessly. This had the Wi-Fi to Bluetooth transfer technology. You don't need this anymore. Now it's all built in to the lock. So this is a quick overview, and it works just like the other smart locks, except that all the technology is built in right to the lock itself. And it's actually a little bit smaller than the original size. So we like that a lot. This is Chris Roshan at 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments.